Hello everyone, this is Slave and I'm gonna be straight and to the point. Papua New Guineans, we don't need any vaccines right now. We don't need vaccines right now. We just need better medical supplies in the hospitals. People are not dying from coronavirus. They are dying from other serious illnesses like TB, cancer, etc. Illnesses that the immune system cannot fight against. So people are dying from those diseases. So I don't think we need I don't think our solution is vaccines. We don't need vaccines. So the government should focus on providing, government and health minister, you guys should focus on providing better medical supplies in the hospitals, equipments, because people are, what I've seen with my own eyes, people in the emergency in Home General Hospital, they are sleeping on the floor, no proper medical supplies, crowding up, emergency is so crowded, people sleeping on the floor, there are no medicines, people have been given Disprings and Pennyrols, and I don't see rolling out vaccines will help us in any ways. What they need to do, or what the government needs to do, is they need to provide better medical supplies in the hospitals. Health minister, you guys have to provide better medical supplies in the hospitals, equipments, medicines, not just in Pom General Hospital, but in all other hospitals and clinics around the country. We are in dire need of those equipments, not vaccines. Because other countries like Australia, they protested against the vaccines that we have that came from Australia. They don't want the vaccines. So I don't think why we should take the vaccines, because if the Australian doesn't want the vaccine, then why should we? We're not lab rats, we're not animals that they can test the vaccine on us. That the government should take this into consideration. If they are thinking of rolling out the vaccine nationwide, then they should make the vaccine voluntary and not mandatory. This is a democratic nation. We have our rights to choose whether to take the vaccine or not. We want to exercise our rights. You cannot force us to take the vaccines. So how this video makes sense, because people are not dying from coronavirus, they are dying from other serious illnesses. So I don't think rolling out the vaccines nationwide will help us in any ways. To be honest, the government need to focus on providing better medical supplies, equipments in the hospitals. Doctors need to carry out their job well. In hospitals, in all different departments like radiology, pathology, emergency, and all that. People there are shortage of equipments, medical equipments and supplies, medicine, beds. There are shortage of equipments. I don't think we need any vaccines right now. Government should focus, health ministers should focus on providing those equipments in the hospital. People are not dying from coronavirus. That's one thing that we should know. We don't know the side effects of those vaccines that will be rolled out nationwide too. If they're so eager in rolling out the vaccines, then make the vaccines voluntary and not mandatory. I hope this video makes sense. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys with my next video. Bye.